Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Livermore, California at GDCA. GDCA has its roots in the Silicon Valley and specializes in sustaining America's embedded computer legacy. Everywhere you look, from your television to cell phones and even bigger equipment like medical MRI machines and industrial robots, computers make our world come alive. With the high-speed pace of new technology, computer manufacturers are left without available electronic components to build their computer boards. As a result, their customers that build long-lasting extreme machines like roller coasters or military jet fighters are left without the parts to keep them building. For over 30 years, as America's leading legacy equipment manufacturer, GDCA's team of obsolescence management and engineering professionals have developed the tools required to sustain old computer board designs. As an authorized second source of supply of more than 3,000 legacy product designs, GDCA's trademarked PLM Plus solutions offer both outsourced obsolescence management services to original board manufacturers and provide equipment makers with new parts. Second source of supply works by re-engineering the manufacturing capability for obsolete computer boards and implementing sustainment plans to solve issues for embedded board-level products. GDCA ensures these products perform exactly to their original design specifications, whether for an additional 2, 10, or 20-plus years. Essential to this approach is establishing trust with the original manufacturers and safeguarding their intellectual property. For solutions that assure easy and reliable manufacturing of obsolete and discontinued embedded computer boards, visit GDCA at gdca.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.